Hey friends, I'm Larry Underearth from the Church Street Cemetery. My old pal and cemetery caretaker, Mr. Noferatu, has a project he'd like to share. I plan to watch over the old guy to make sure he kills it. Was that too much?
Kill it? Really, Larry? Yeah. I got a cemetery full of wiper motors using park wires running our crew. And 2 are controlled by a pictovolt, which goes back to Park, the original position, and it also allows animation. Now on the others, I didn't need the animation. I just wanted it to go back to Park, the original position. And I couldn't seem to find that answer online, so I ventured into a Plus, the American Science and Surplus stores, where one of the employees there said, hey, why don't you use a relay? And so I did, and it worked out really cool. Everything works just as planned, and so I thought I'd share that with all of you.
A relay acts as a switching mechanism in the same way an expensive controller does, without the bells and whistles. You can get one for about $5, $10 at SciPlus or eBay. What I am using is a single pole double throw, or SPDT, 30 amp 14 VDC 5-pin relay. The 5-pin is important. The relay pins should be numbered. On mine, they are 30, 85, 86, 87, and 87A. 86 and 85 are the relay power inputs. The others are the switch, 30, the common, and 87 and 87A, which is either off or on, open or closed. You also need 2 12-volt AC-DC power adapters, one rated 5 amps, the other 2 amps. The first adapter is your triggered power. You add in a PIR motion sensor or step mat on this adapter to trigger the power on, which activates your motor via the relay while stopping the flow of current in adapter number 2. Adapter number 2 is used to bring the motor back to park when the relay is not powered. The power from adapter 2 runs through the relay to the motor until the motor's internal park mechanism turns the motor off. I have pre-wired the motor and relay to streamline the video. You can follow along with the diagram, which is also in the links. This is pretty easy to set up. Now remember to give yourself plenty of length in the wiring so you have distance between the power adapter and relay and the motor. Start by connecting the black motor wire, the power adapter 1 and 2 negative wire together. I used an electrical cap. Then run 2 wires from that cap, one to pin 86 and one to pin 87. This is your ground. For the green motor wire, connect that to pin 30. For the red motor wire, connect that to your power adapter, 2 positive lead. For the yellow motor wire, connect that to pin 87A. Using your power adapter 1, connect the positive lead to pin 85. And that's it. You are ready to try out the motor and park.
Now here's how it works. So it's ready to be plugged in, and we will plug in the park always on and the power. And there you see, motor's turning. Now, if it were on a motion sensor would turn off, and you can see it floated to park. Do that again. And it floats to park. And that's it. You're good to ghost. Oh, and stay spooky. Yeah, right.